You can see here target hardware could not detected. Target hardware could not detected. For that purpose, we are using an Type-C data transferring. That Type-C we will use at 40 pin side. This Type-C cable. Pin side. From that, using to this side. That connected to host PC USB 3.2. So once it on, this is the power button, not power button. This is the power input. Keep this as power input. And press and hold the second button, force record button, and keep that one, and just press the reset button and remove this one. You can see it is in the recovery mode. Okay, for that I will show one more time. Remove the power input. So now it is not detected. You can see here. It is not detected. Give the DC power near the DC jack, and this side is the Type-C to USB data transferring for flashing time. Give the power input, and it is light on. You can see light on. At the time, press the middle button, force record button, and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, and press that reset button and remove that one, and after that remove the force record button also. So it is in the recovery mode. You can select this one, which one, just an AGX Orin 64 GB developer kit. You can see in that screen record also. Yes, say okay, like that. Once the OS image is ready, it asks SDK Manager is about to flash your Jetson AGX mode. Okay? So at the time you can check. Yes, our board is the Jetson AGX board. Okay. And OME configuration. OME configuration is two types. One is runtime, one is pre-configuration. Pre-configuration means you are giving the username and password to the Jetson AGX software. And runtime means you will set up the username and password at the time of OS installation in the head configuration time. Now I am choosing this runtime. I will give the credential at the time of OS is installed in my PC. In my Jetson AGX. MMC internal. Okay, then flash. When ready to click flash, then continue. Right now it is in flashing at 91%. It got display. You can see. That will automatically put. Now it is done. Now it is done. So for now we need an extra keyboard and mouse. I'm using the keyboard and mouse right now. Keyboard connected. Mouse be connected.